Hi, I'm Brad Steenwyk, and I serve as the director of the Continuous Quality Improvement Conference that occurs every Tuesday morning from 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. In this conference, we examine cases with an error or near miss. Each resident will have the opportunity to present one case a year, including a summary of the case, complete root cause analysis of the error or near miss, and a brief educational excerpt on current medical guidelines surrounding the issues being discussed. We focus on the system's issues that need to be addressed, not the individuals involved. Time is given to discuss what could have been done to better address the system's issues. Follow-up issues are identified and, when possible, enacted to improve patient care and safety. These follow-up efforts are reported periodically to the department. Every resident has access to multiple mentors during the QI process, including clinical faculty involved in the case, our Associate Director of Education, Dr. Riesenberg, and our librarian, Ms. Emma O'Hagan. We provide guidance on quality concepts and tools, including the root cause analysis, as well as literature searches and PowerPoint preparation skills. By the time a resident graduates, they will have been involved in at least 3 quality improvement or patient safety projects and will have presented at least 3 presentations at a level consistent with regional or national conference standards.